In this exercise, we will practice many of the functions of the string data type in Python. First, we have this message: data analytics is the future, and using string functions, we would like to convert it to uppercase, title case, and capitalizing it. So, to convert it to an uppercase, we need to use the function .upper, title case, the function title, and capitalize the function capitalize. Alright, so this was easy. Let's take a look at the second question. We have a quote: an optimist believes we live in the best world possible. A pessimist fears this is true. Okay. Now, how many words does the quote contain? So we know we have the function length, which counts the number of items in a sequence. So at first sight, you may want to do length quote 1. Well, if we do length quote 1, this will count the number of characters in the string. And the number of characters is obviously not the same as the number of words in the string. How do we get from a string to its constituent words? Well, then we need to split the string around white spaces. Basically, that's the function split. And you can see that if we split the string, we get a list of words. And if we count the number of words in the string, that's basically the answer to that question. In the second quote, we have an even wiser quote, and we're being asked to report how many lines there are in this quote. Well, in this case, I'm going to do the same, but instead of using split, I'm going to do split lines, and I get a list of the lines. If I do the length of that, I'm going to get 3. Now, another function that is helpful here is called the function count. The function count will basically count the instances a certain character or a substring occurs in another string. Because I'm looking for a new line here, right? I'm looking for sentences. I want to count how many times I have a new line feed. And you can see I have 2 because enter is hit twice in this multi-line string. So I need to adjust this by adding 1 because 2 enters, meaning we have 3 lines. The first line, enter, the second line, enter, and then the third line. The last question here is asking us to extract the name of the quoted person in the string. And you can see that the quoted person starts with dash dash space and then the name of the person. So first we need to locate where this thing starts. So I'm going to look for the dash dash or dash dash space in my string. So I'm going to do quote 2, either find or index dash dash or dash dash space. It doesn't make a difference here. I'm going to get the same result. It starts at character 84. So what I need to do, I need to go to my string and say, okay, at character 84, let's call this one start S, I have the dash, right? But I'm not interested in the dash. The name of the person starts at 3 characters after the dash, so I want to skip these characters. So I'm going to add 3 to S, and you can see that this is where the name of the person occurs in the string. Well, I need to extract more than 1 character, not only S plus 3, but S plus 3 to the end of the string. Indeed, in Python, it's possible to extract multiple items in a sequence in an operation called slicing. This is an operation that we will see in more details when we talk about list. But suffice to say, in the context of a string, because a string is also a sequence of items, we can go from the starting position to the end using this syntax. The syntax means starts with this position and then proceed to the end. If I do this, I will get the name of the person because the name of the person starts at the dash dash space and then ends at the end of the string.